Hello kids, welcome to today's study class. Today we learn 2D shape and learn some colors name. Which is these kids? These are lovely colors. This is parrot green color, brown color, light pink color, sky blue color, golden color, purple color, grey color, black color, orange color. This is yellow color. These are lovely colors. Shape rectangle, square, heart, pentagon, circle and hexagon. This is brown color. This is brown color. Shape is rectangle. Grey color. This is grey color and shape is square. Purple color. This is purple color. Shape is heart. Black color. This shape is pentagon. Black color. This is yellow color. Shape is circle. Orange color. This shape is hexagon. So kids, today we learn shape, rectangle, square, heart, pentagon, circle and hexagon. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye.